Hi guys, you're welcome to this Tomarket airdrop update. So guys, there's an update now on Tomarket. You can see right here, I'm on the Tomarket announcements Telegram group. So guys, now you can see what's written here. Early adopters reward are here. That means they are giving rewards to those who started mining Tomarket at the initial time. So if you're among those that started mining the TOMA token, there is a reward for you. So guys, let me get to read it out. They said, as promised, 3% of the total TOMA token supply has been reserved to reward our early supporters. If you qualified for this exclusive reward, your early adopter bonus is now live in your account. So guys, let me continue. They said early adopter reward ties. You can see Taiwan. Taiwan is those that joined on and before July 14th, 2024, and they're going to earn an extra 20% tomato token based on their holdings during the token generation snapshot. You can see Tai 2. Tai 2 is for those that joined on and before July 31st, 2024, and they are going to earn an extra 15% of their tomato balance. You can see Tai 3. Tai 3 is for those that joined on and before August 31st, 2024, and they are going to earn an extra 10% of their tomato balance. So guys, now you can see it right there. So what you have to do now is to check your balance. They said check your account now to see how much extra Toma you have earned. Share your rewards with us. We would love to see how much you got. Thank you for your support from the early days. It's listing season, and remember, your Tomarket level is the key to more Toma. So guys, now let me go over to my Tomarket mining app to see if actually I'm being allocated this extra Toma token. Let me see if I qualified. Let me go back now and let me tap on my Tomarket app to open it. So guys, now you can see my Tomarket app is opening. Let's just wait a few seconds. You can see it's loading. Wow guys, you can see I qualified for the early miners reward. You can see it right there. I'm being given 16,326 Toma token. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. You can see what's written there. Early adopter rewards. You have received an exclusive early adopter reward airdrop. Thank you for your support. Listing is here. Earn more stars to get more Toma. So guys, now what I will do now is to go ahead now to claim this. So let me tap on claim. Wow guys, you can see I've claimed it. You can see it right there. Congrats. So guys, now this I can be able to check if you're among the early adopter rewarders. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.